wait to see the way the kids will react for this Christmas tree. Okay, now the Christmas tree.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up. I'm going now to get my Christmas tree, so I'm going now to get it and also do some shopping to cook. Yeah, that's it. My kids are inside, Ellie's there, Denise there. So I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, I'm trying to get Christmas decoration for my tree. I'll show you some that I have here so that you can see. Oh my god guys, look at how big this ball is. It's quite nice. Oh, I like it, but it's too big. It's very big. I think these are for giant trees. Oh yeah, but I love it. What do you guys think about this giant ball? This is very big, very big. I want to get some wraps for gifts. I think I should go for the red one. Yeah, I think I should go for this. Yeah, I think this is good. Guys, I like this red one, red and white. I think it will be very nice. I think I will get this. Yeah, look at this. Guys, that's the Christmas tree. I can't wait to open it. I'm going to open it with you guys. And that is what I got for Ellie as well. So I'm going to wrap it up. And also I got some Christmas hats. I got some decoration for the Christmas presents. And I also got this. I think I showed you guys earlier on. Got this here. Yeah. And I have some here. That's my Christmas ball. Wow. Uh-oh. Yes, so I'm going to fix the Christmas tree now with the kids and we'll do it all together.
Yeah. Hello guys, we are about to open our Christmas tree now. Yeah, Anthony, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Ellie, say hello. So we're opening our Christmas tree, so yeah. I can't wait to see the way the kids will react for this Christmas tree. See, Anthony is scared. Anthony is running away. Anthony is scared. Yes, we should take this off. Okay. Now the Christmas tree. They are actually scared of it. Ellie, are you scared? You are scared? You are scared of it. I don't know why. It looks nice. I can't wait to fix it, guys. Yay! See, they've gone. 2 of them. They don't want to see the Christmas tree. They are scared of it. Anthony, touch it. Scared of it. And I actually got the Christmas tree because of them. It's very easy to fix, very easy to fix, and it's not that expensive. Okay, what next? Okay. That is very big. It's taller than me. I bought 5 feet. It's not bad, and it's very cheap. I actually got it for £13.99 because it was on sale, so which is not bad, which is very good. I bought it in August. It's okay. This is the light I used last year. It's LED lights. I got it last year for my old Christmas tree, so I'm going to use this again. So there was no point for me to buy another light since I have this. So I'm going to put it all over it. It's so tiny, so it's really good. Sorry, when I fix it on the Christmas tree, you will not see it anymore. You will think it's just the Christmas tree is bringing lights on its own. Okay, that's the LED light. So I can't even fix it properly because it's so long. So I'll just put it like that. Does it really matter? Shebi me, I try. The light is just inside. I just put it inside, but I don't really have time to start arranging it from the top to the leg. Can you stop it? I tried. Yay! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Hello! Van is always for girls, but I saw this where the boys stuff her. I don't know, I think it's for boys. Oh! We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I should be putting this on. I should have put it from the beginning. Yes. Okay, now I actually got this. I'm going to be using this to wrap some gifts. So now it's time to fix the ball. Guys, what do you think? Anthony just broke this. Anyway, I will sort that later. I'll fix it. This I'm going to be on top of the tree. Guys, for watching. I'm finished. I'm decorating my Christmas tree. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my day 6. Yeah, on my day 6. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you love this video. Bye.